Welcome to this charming Lake Oswego home with multiple decks on a large private lot nestled in the highly sought-after Palisades Park neighborhood. Enjoy the Palisades Park easement, the Greentree pool, Lake Grove Swim Park, and award-winning Lake Oswego schools. The covered front porch welcomes you home. Discover a light-filled interior with a cozy wood fireplace, built-ins, and large picture windows. Entertain on one of two inviting decks backing to the tranquil private backyard. Hardwood floors lead to the updated kitchen with abundant storage space and all new stainless steel appliances. The main floor master bedroom is a spacious private retreat. A beautiful full bath and another bedroom complete the upper level of this 4-bedroom home of 2,300 square feet. Enjoy the versatile floor plan with a large bonus area, another fireplace, and access to the lower level deck. You'll find 2 more bedrooms on this level, another full bath, and additional private access to the deck. The oversized lot provides abundant space to entertain, garden, or for family fun. Other features include new windows, new gutters, a 3-year-old roof, and much more. A lovingly cared-for home in a fantastic Lake Oswego location. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Shelle Winkler with Premier Property Group.